In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Xbox Series X or Xbox Series S, no HDMI signal issue or black screen on your TV, your monitor or any display. Now we are going to be going through about 5 solutions, and trust me, one of them would definitely work out for you. First thing you want to do is to make sure that your HDMI cable connected to both your Xbox console and your TV are firmly connected to both devices, and they are actually connected to the right input source on the TV as well. Now in my own case over here, my HDMI cable is connected to HDMI 2 on the TV, which means that I have to make sure that my cables are firmly connected, then make sure I also set my TV's HDMI inputs to HDMI 2. Another thing you want to do is to go ahead and switch up the HDMI cables of both devices. So connect the part from the TV to the Xbox console and then the part from the Xbox console to the TV. Sometimes this might actually fix the problem for you. But if that does still not fix the problem, the last thing I would recommend you do is to go ahead and change your HDMI to HDMI cable, because sometimes the HDMI cable can be faulty. You can go ahead and try it on another display or even change the HDMI input on the TV or monitor as well, because sometimes the problem might be from the HDMI port on the TV or the display and not particularly from your HDMI cable. And you might as well have to change the HDMI cable at some point if it does not work out for you. If you also have other HDMI devices connected to your TV or your display, you want to go ahead and just remove those other HDMI devices and then connect only your HDMI cable coming from your Xbox, and sometimes that might actually fix the problem for you. Okay, so if none of the previous method worked out for you, another thing you want to try is to restart your Xbox console. To do this, you want to first of all unplug the HDMI cable from the Xbox and your display. Then you want to go ahead and turn off your Xbox by simply long pressing on the Xbox logo on your controller for about 5 seconds, or you can just long press on the Xbox logo on the console itself. Once it is turned off, go ahead and unplug it from the power source and then proceed to long press on the Xbox logo on the console for about 10 to 15 seconds, and after that you want to release the power button. Go ahead and plug it back to the power source. Then you can turn on your console by simply long pressing on the Xbox logo or the logo from your console, whichever one, for about 5 seconds, and your Xbox console will be turned on. Make sure you have also connected the HDMI cable to both devices at this point. And if this also does not fix the problem for you, then the final solution is to reset the resolution of your Xbox Series X or Xbox Series S. Now the way you do this is to first of all turn off your Xbox console by long pressing on the Xbox logo at the top over here, and you want to wait for about 30 seconds. And after the 30 seconds, you want to go ahead and long press on the Xbox logo and the sync button at the bottom over here until you hear 2 beep sounds. If you're using the Xbox Series X, you would have to use the disc eject button instead of the sync button over here. So you want to long press on the Xbox logo and the sync button or the disc eject button. So this is the first beep sound. You want to continue to press until you hear the second beep sound, and just like so, you should have been able to reset the resolution of your Xbox Series X or your Xbox Series S. And at this point, you can go ahead and set back your Xbox console to the right resolution by going over to the settings from over here and then to the TV and display options from over here. Then you can set the resolution to the resolution of your display. Please let me know if this video was helpful and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.